Hello everyone! So this is my small Walgreens haul for this week, September 19 to September 25 of 2021 Walgreens deal. So I did 3 transactions in total and my husband helped me in the transaction because there is a coupon limit in the Walgreens inner area, so you can only use 4 paper coupon in one transaction per person. That's why I asked my husband to help me out in my couponing in Walgreens so that he is the one who's gonna pay for the other items. So in my first transaction, I did a spend 20 and get $5 digital booster. So I don't have a paper booster to pair with in my digital booster. So in the first items that I bought is the Softsoap Handsoap. So this is 7.5 ounce. So the deal is buy 4 and you will get $4 Walgreens cash reward. And it's buy 1, get 1 50% off. So I pick 4 in total. So this is the other scent. So I bought 4 Softsoap Handsoap. And this is my note for the handsoap. So it's buy 1, get 1, 50% off. And when you buy 4, you will get $4 Walgreens cash reward. It's priced for $1.99. The 50% off is 99 cents. So the 4 hand soap are $5.96. And then there is 75 cents digital coupon that attached in the small bottle. So I paid $5.21. I got $4 Walgreens cash reward, making it $1.21 for 4 or 30 cents each. So next is the buy 3 and you will get $5 Walgreens cash reward. So the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner is part of the promotion. Also the Tresemme Hairspray. So this is smooth hold level number 2. This is 5.5 ounce. So I bought 2. So it's 2 for 10 also. And then the shampoo and conditioner is 2 for 10. And then the Crest Toothpaste and Oral-B toothbrush is priced for $3. So this is part of the promotion. So this is one set for buy 3. And then the other one is 2 hairspray and 1 Crest Toothpaste. So you can do the deal twice, or you can do it 3 times if you want, if you have coupons to use. So in this, I use the digital coupon for Tresemme, and then I use 1 paper coupon for the hairspray. So this is the paper coupon for the hairspray, and then if you don't have digital coupon, there is manufacturing coupon from September 12 Unilever inserts. So there is $4 off 2 that attached to the Tresemme shampoo, and then there is $5 off for the Pro Pure Tresemme. So this is my note in my buy 3 and get $5 Walgreens cash reward. So the 4 Tresemme are $20, so it's 2 for 10. And then the 2 Crest Toothpaste are $6. My soft total are $26. I used the $4 off 2 Tresemme digital coupon. I used the $4 off 2 Tresemme manufacturing coupon from Unilever insert for the hairspray. Then I used the $3 off 2 Crest Digital coupon came out instead of my $2 digital coupon for the Crest. And then I used 1 paper coupon for the Crest Toothpaste. So the $2 manufacturing coupon came out at the same time. The $3 off 2 Crest Digital came out instead of my $2 off 2. So it's another savings on that. So I paid $13 and then I got $10 Walgreens cash reward, making it $3 for 6 items or 50 cents each. And then the Colgate toothpaste and then the Colgate toothbrush is on sale for $2.99. So this is the Colgate Total 3.3 ounce. And then I pick up the soft Colgate toothbrush. And then there is $2 digital coupon for the Colgate toothpaste and $2 for the Colgate toothbrush. So this is my note for my Colgate. So the Colgate toothpaste is $2.99. The Colgate toothbrush is $2.99. My soft total are $5.98. I used the $2 Colgate toothpaste digital coupon. I used the $2 Colgate toothbrush digital coupon. I paid $1.98. Then I got $2 Walgreens cash award, making it free toothpaste and toothbrush, and then there is 2 cents money maker. Great deal. And then the Snuggle, it's on sale for $2.88. And then there is a $1 digital coupon that attached in the Snuggle. So this is 32 ounce. So this is my note for the Snuggle. It's $2.88. And then there is $1 Snuggle digital coupon. I paid $1.88 for the Snuggle. So this is my receipt in my first transaction. So everything went smoothly. All the coupons applied. So my husband is the one who paid for the first transaction. So here is the $3 of Crest, and then my $2 paper coupon. It came out also. My $4 for the Tresemme. So all the digital coupon came out. So here my soft total is $22.07. There is $1.39 tax. So my total including the tax is $23.46. So we redeemed $20 Walgreens cash reward. Then I got $21.20 in total. So in my first transaction, my amount before coupons are $40.82. The total coupons that we use are $18.75. My soft total are $22.07. Then we redeemed $20 Walgreens cash reward. We paid $2.07 and we got $21.20. $5 for the spend 20, $10 Walgreens cash reward for the buy 3 deal for the Tresemme and the Crest Toothpaste. And then $4 Walgreens cash reward for the Softsoap Handsoap, $2 Walgreens cash reward for the Colgate, making the first transaction 87 cents for 13 items or 6 cents each, which is awesome because we got a hand soap, shampoo, hairspray, and then we got also a fabric conditioner. Then when my husband paid the first transaction, he got a paper booster. He got the spend 35 and get $7 Walgreens cash reward. That's why in the second transaction, I'm about to use the Walgreens cash reward, but I decided to use the paper booster so that I can get another Walgreens cash reward, even though I paid lot of money in the second transaction. It's worth it because second transaction is free. So in the second transaction, I used the spend 35 and get $7 Walgreens cash reward that my husband got in his transaction. So what I did is I combined the deal, the Tresemme and the Crest Toothpaste and the Oral-B toothbrush. So they are part of the buy 3 and you will get $5 Walgreens cash reward. So I did it 3 times. So I got Tresemme Pro Pure. So the Tresemme Pro Pure is 2 for $10 also. So I got 1 conditioner and 1 shampoo. And then the Tresemme Scalp Detox is 2 for $10 also. So I got 1 shampoo and then 1 conditioner. And then I got 4 Crest Toothpaste in total. So it's $3 each. And then I got the Oral-B toothbrush for $3. So this is 1 pair. And then this is 1 pair. And then the third pair is 2 toothpaste and 1 Oral-B toothbrush. So I did the deal 3 times. That's why I got $15 Walgreens cash reward in total. 5 for this, 5 for this set, and then 5 for the last set. So this is my note in my spend $35 and get $7 walk-in cash reward. So the Oral-B toothbrush is $3, and then the 4 Crest Toothpaste at price for $3 are $12. The 2 Tresemme Pro Pure is $10, and then the 2 Tresemme, the shampoo and conditioner detox, is $10. My soft total are $35. I use the $6 off for Crest or Oral-B digital coupon, and then I use 1 Crest Toothpaste manufacturing coupon from P&G Insert, so it's $2. So total I use $8 for the oral care, and then I use the $4 of 2 Tresemme manufacturing coupon from September 12 Unilever Insert, and then I use also the $5 of 2 Tresemme Pro Pure manufacturing coupon from September 12 Unilever. So I paid $19, and then I got $7 walk-in cash reward for the paper booster. I got $15 walk-in cash reward in the buy 3 deal because I did the deal 3 times. So I got 5 in this pair, 5 in this pair also, and last pair is the toothpaste and the Oral-B. So I got 15 walk-in cash reward in total. So I got $22 in the second transaction, 22 walk-in cash reward, 15 for the buy 3 and 7 in the paper booster, making my transaction free plus $3 money maker. And this is my receipt. So everything went smoothly. All the coupons applied, my paper booster applied, my digital for the Crest, and then the paper coupon for the Crest, and my 2 paper coupons, the $5 and 4. So my soft total is $18. Then I have 66 cents tax. My total is $18.66. But I paid cash, and that I got $22.35. I got 15 in the buy 3 and then 7 in the paper booster, and then I got the 35 cents in everyday points. So even though I paid $18, in the end I got $3 money maker. So this is my third transaction. So I used the walk-in cash reward that I earned in the second transaction in this deal. So I bought again the Softsoap Handsoap. So this is buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 4 you will get $4 walk-in cash reward. So I bought 4 in total. So this is 7.5 ounce. So the other one is aloe vera, and this is my note for the Softsoap. So it's buy 1 get 1 50% off. It's priced for $1.99, and the 50% off is 99 cents. The 4 are $5.96. I paid $5.96. Then I got $4 walk-in cash reward, making it $1.96 for 4, or 49 cents each. And then the Dial Bar Soap is buy 1 get 1 50% off, and when you buy 2 you will get $2 walk-in cash reward. So you can buy as many as you can, and you can use your walk-in cash reward so that you will not pay a lot. So I bought 2 Dial white clean rinsing and non-drying antibacterial soap. It's priced for $5.49, and the 50% off is $2.74. And then I bought also 2 Dial spring water. So it's buy 1 get 1 50% off also. So $5.49 for the other one, and then the other one is $2.74. So I bought 4 in total. And this is my note in the Dial Bar Soap. And this is 8 bars. So it's $5.49, and the 50% off is $2.74. The 4 bar soap are $16.46. Then I got $4 walk-in cash reward, making it $12.46, or $3.11 each. It's kind of pricey compared to Walmart, but since I use the walk-in cash reward, I will take it. So in my third transaction here, this is the dial. It's buy one get one, and then the Softsoap is buy one get one 50% off also. My subtotal is $22.42. There is a tax of $1.35. So I think the bar soap is really the tax is a little high comparing to the first and second transaction in which I bought oral care and also a shampoo and conditioner. Then I redeemed $20 Walgreens cash reward. Those are the Walgreens cash reward that I earned in the second transaction, and then I got $8.02 in the deal. I got 4 from the dial and 4 from the Softsoap Handsoap. So in my note, my total is $22.42, and I redeemed $20 Walgreens cash reward. I paid $2.42, and I got $8 Walgreens cash reward, making my transaction $14.42 for 8 items, or $1.80 each. So after deducting the Walgreens cash reward that I use. So my final cost in the first transaction is 87 cents after the Walgreens cash reward. In the third is $14.42 after deducting the Walgreens cash reward that I use. And so my total is $15.29. And then in the second transaction, I got $3 moneymaker. My final out-of-pocket is $12.29 for 31 items, or 39 cents each, in which it's not free, but I'm happy because I got some bar soap in which I'm trying to stock up again when it comes to bar soap so that I can include that to the balikbayan package that I'm about to send to my family in other region in the Philippines, because last time I sent 5 balikbayan boxes that I sent in Luzon area, and now I'm building my stockpile again so that I can send a package for my siblings and relatives in Mindanao area. So thank you so much guys for watching, and have a blessed day everyone.